You saw the drinking game at the front of the video. That's what we're building today. Okay, well that is not bad for my very first dovetail. Okay, that's looking pretty good. I still want to put a little cross brace on there though, and then I need to figure out how long to make it. Where do I want those? Alright, that's where I want my little back brace. Okay, there's that. I need to put shoulder straps on the back there and a waist strap. Okay, that is not going anywhere. Alright, so I got this bungee cord material that we're going to use for the shoulder straps. Going to melt the end of it so it doesn't come undone. Alright, let's try these. Okay, those are not bad. Now we need a belt. Okay, so I got some 1-inch nylon web. We'll burn the ends of that as well. Okay, there it is. Now we need to put the eyelets in and construct the glass holder. Okay, that should do. And here's my cup. I'm just going to put a hole big enough to hold it. Now, I know that I want the cup about right here. I think that should be plenty of string right there. Now I want the gear ratio to be the same, so I'm going to make the dowels the same width as the little platform. Because if it was bigger, that would change things. In case you're wondering what kind of knot I'm using to attach the string to the dowel, it's a clove hitch, and I'll show you how that works here on this broomstick handle. You make a loop over the pole and cross over the top of it. Then you take the end and stick it under the loop you just created. Anyway, it ends up looking like that. It's the best way to tie off to a pole. And let's try it out. Get the belt back here. All right. It doesn't work too well with the hat on. Okay. Now for the acid test. It worked. Well, that thing turned out all right, and it's way easier to use than I thought it was going to be. And my new coping saw worked out really well too. And of course I made 2 of them, so we can have competition. Anyway, that's all for this time. Thanks for stopping in. If you want to see these in use, find me on Instagram. My name there is Wildman.Tech, and I will be uploading footage of these being used at parties in the coming weeks. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click up here to see my last video. Click over here to see something of mine that YouTube thinks you'll like. And have a good one.